Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can register Space ID BNB domain. It's quite easy. All you're going to need is a wallet. And for this tutorial video, we're going to be working with the Trust Wallet. So now once Trust Wallet is opened up, please make sure you have BNB Smart Chain worth $5 or more. And with your BNB Smart Chain, head over to the browser section. Once there, please make use of our link, which is going to be in the description of this video. You're using the link so you stand a chance to gain some bonuses once you register a domain. So click on the paste option and use the search button. And once you're there, you can have a look at both the Ethereum domains, the BNB domains, and Arbitrum. So all you need to do now is simply switch over the network from the Ethereum network, as you can see using the icon at the top right. Switch from the Ethereum network to the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done this, you could simply make use of the hamburger icon here and simply select the domain drop down and select BNB. So now we're going to be focusing only on the available BNB domains. Now simply search for a domain you wish to register. So let's use my name, Morris, and click on the green search icon. And as you can see here, there are many unregistered domains here. Maurice Cooks, Maurice Ma, Mauritius, and so many other domains. So you could simply select the domain you wish to register and simply click on register one domain. So select the domain you wish to register. Okay guys, and once you've clicked on register now, you can view the invitation. You can have a look at the registration year. The registration year simply means the amount of years you want to keep your domain active for. For 1 year, it's $5. 2 years, it's 10, 3, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can do as many years as you want. All you need to do is just simply click on register. And once you've done that, your BNB would be taken from your wallet and you'd have yourself a BNB domain on Space ID. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.